I have just walked up 3 flights of stairs 6 times. So today is supposed to be apartment tour, but as my Mancunian mum would say, it looks like a bomb's hit it in here. So that's going to be for the next video. So I'm going to, yeah, let's not show you that because it does look like a bomb. So basically, it's account season, you know, getting ready for the April thing. So yeah, receipts everywhere. And well, I'm also moving to a stock room next week. So I have 2 units. I've got a unit that's around the corner from me and a unit that I'm getting soon. So we're moving all the products into there. So it looks, yeah, bombs it in here. So I'm going to keep the camera like this so you can see my chin. And then, yeah, so that's what's happening today. So I'm going to give some, it's going to be a restock video, but I'm going to give you some advice today on how you can build a £100,000 business from vending. So yeah, I'm going to drink this so I don't die. Peace. Yeah, so I'm going to go and pick up Megan. I'm filming on my work phone, so I don't know if the quality is going to be any better because it's like a iPhone 11 Pro. My other phone's iPhone 13. I don't know. Anyway, I'm going to go and pick up Megan. We're going to go to the storage unit, pick up the Pringles machine because we have to take it, and I need to stop looking at myself and look at the lens. We're going to go and pick up the Pringles machine. I'm just like staring at it. Pick up the Pringles machine, and yeah, we need to like fix it because there was something wrong with the key, but then we fixed it. I bought a new key and then I didn't need a new key, so I wasted money. Oh well, got a spare one there. And then yeah, we're gonna go and put it back in the location that we got it from. And yes, because I got a ton of Pringles back there that I bought last week because I thought, oh yeah, I just filled the machine up. No, it was broke. For my 85,000 keys. Found them. This is working right now.
Yeah.
I didn't bring the other key.
Oh.
Don't need the other key.
If that one works
Oh,
now, we don't need it.
Now.
Because it's not in the thing.
Oh, it came out.
That's what she said. There you go, pick it up.
Oh, there's a little screw. 3, 2. Did it?
Nice.
I know that's heavy.
Do you want to swap? Do you want to film it and I'll carry it?
No, I just need both hands.
Okay.
That's about 25 kilos. I know I was gripping it like that.
Mental.
Fuck. It could be cracked. It annoys me that you can't pull them up. Oh, you can pull them up. The trouble with small hands. Oh, that's not safe. I'm gonna get out of it next week.
Strong arms.
Really strong. Hold. Where have we just been? Ah, the storage unit. So we've just been to the storage unit to get the Pringles machine. But yeah, so how to make £100,000 or dollars with vending, because I know I've got some American folk that like to watch me. It sounds a bit weird now.
Oh, it did sound a little bit weird.
Sounds a bit weird. Where are we going? Best ways.
Best ways. Jesus Christ.
Is this the quickest way to go? What?
Yeah.
It's the right road. What is it with the people in these streets not letting me go down them? Just let me drive. Right. Tip number 1. To get £100,000 with vending, you want to have at least 10 machines. This is gross, by the way. This isn't revenue. That's revenue. Fucking hell. Let's just cut that bit. Tip number 1. You need to get at least 10 machines to do £100,000 or dollars gross revenue. And the machine needs to be doing at least £1,000 a month gross. Profits. What is wrong with me today?
I'm not
Gross
sure.
revenue a month. So that means that's before expenses. So with locations you want to be aiming for, the bigger locations, so like offices, warehouses, your arms are in.
No, it's just this road.
Alright.
Very bumpy.
The worst road to talk on. Yeah, so you want to look for like offices,
My God.
like ones that have like 50, 60, 100 employees plus, because then, and like ones that are open like 24 hours, things like that. Once you've got 10 of those, then you're laughing. But yeah, so that's tip number 1. Up around with you. Up all night. Made it. Pulling up. Score. Shit. Oh, I didn't bring my business card.
Oh.
I have to pay on my own.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
I have to pay on contactless. Do they take contactless?
They must do.
I don't know where my wallet is. I don't want to ask my mum if I'm like, Mum, is my wallet at yours? Because she'll be like, have you fucking lost that wallet again? Right, let's go. And only buy the ones that don't have the price on it. So do I buy the ones that got price on it and up the thing in the machine? Because when I have contracts, I don't normally up the prices, but recession in it. I won't have to. Roots?
Well, that happened.
Yeah, that might get me some stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is how we get kicked out.
Don't get kicked out. I like spending my money in here. Plus, I'm tight with the way the conception is. Which one's so I don't want to get? Is it this one? What?
Michael Jackson. What? I'm alright, thank you.
I like Bella bed.
Yeah.
Just do me with the shopping best way. You want anything?
What? Ah.
That's broke.
Did you see the line of everyone queuing up to buy Prime at Costco?
Eh?
See the line for everyone to buy Prime at Costco?
Just be out here.
There'd be a line.
Doubt it, because you have to literally be
Yeah.
full on business. Anyone can go to Costco.
Might be.
What?
Might be. If there is, stick it in your vending machine, £5 a bottle. Her natural Meg wandered in good hand in her favourite spot.
Huh?
I'm doing commentary.
Yes, it's cold. well, we just finished up in Best Ways and we spent £172. We bought some items that we're not putting in the vending machine. We sell them separately. Why are you shaking?
I don't know.
Yeah, so we also sell things elsewhere. We're not going to give our secrets away though, are we?
Oh, it sounded a bit dodgy though.
Oh yeah,
We're not illegal.
it's not
We're
illegal
legal.
stuff. It's like it's like food and stuff. Yeah, but buy low, sell high, you know. But yeah, we're trying not to run this geezer over. Don't get banned from Best Ways for killing the public. But yeah, so the total cost of goods was probably, what would you say it was? Because we spent like probably 100 and something pound on the other stuff. So I'd say about 60 quid.
Yeah,
maybe.
I'd say so.
I don't even think it was that, because I got water, Coke,
Cheese on wheels.
water, Coke, Red Bull. Is this guy letting me go? Yes, it is. Thank you, sunshine. Water, Coke, and Red Bull. So Red Bull was 20-ish, Coke was 10-ish.
And M&Ms.
Oh yeah, the M&Ms. And yeah, so it was about 60 quid, I reckon. So yeah, and then the £110 was for the other stuff that we sell elsewhere. Yeah, so, and I forgot my business card, so I had to pay with my own card, which is fine. I'll just transfer it later. So yeah, so number 2 is watch what you're spending. That's how you can build your business. So you need to keep track of your outgoings. You do this by keeping your receipts, obviously, and keeping spreadsheets. If you have anybody in your family that does like accounting or billing, things like that, speak to them, get some ideas. My auntie does accounting, so I had a very long chat with her and she helped me out. But yeah, keep track of your outgoings, otherwise you're gonna be like not knowing what's coming in and what's going out. So yeah, you need to keep an eye on that stuff. Sorry, my windscreen wipers are very squeaky. But yeah, so keep an eye on what's coming in and what's coming out. That's tip number 2 to growing your business to 100k. It's like minus 17,000 degrees out here.
It's actually 14 degrees.
I got me all these bottles. It's alright, I got it.
Oh yeah, I'm watching. Surveying the work.
You know what's really annoying? There's no organisation going. I don't know what's in what box.
Oh no.
I just didn't have any boxes, so I had to shove everything in one. So basically, I don't know.
That's dead.
That's dead. I don't know which is for which location. So I'm gonna have to get the phone out and just forget the empty box and put. Oh my god, it's so cold.
If I get the empty box.
How did you know?
I got told like you said it and didn't move.
Oh, the Pringles machine. Let's do the food. Let's do the stuff first.
What are you getting?
I'm gonna get the phone out. Oh, it's cold. Oh.
If you think you're in a warmer climate, your brain will think you're in a warmer climate than you're warm.
Oh, okay. Move the buenos. We don't need them. Oh, right. Australia. Outback. Okay.
Australia.
Oh my, the Coke's underneath the water. For God's sake. Okay.
Jog on the spot for 5 seconds or something like
Okay.
that.
Right, we need 18 Coke. I think there's some Coke at the bottom of there though.
Cans?
Yeah, please. There's one. Oh, it's gone. Oh. 6. 7. We need 11. And they're under the. Oh, 8. We need 10. Oh. 7 Red Bull, please. Oh. freezing, isn't it? Oh. You taking them in? Got it right, all right.
Nice.
Shall we see how much money's in it first?
Let's have a look.
I only collected the money last week, so I wasn't expecting anything decent, but it's alright.
Something.
It's a little. Forgot my step again. Always forget. I bought a step so I could reach the top. I mean, it comes down, but I can't reach the back very well. If you ever have like microwavable food in your machine, stick a little sticker on it, otherwise people won't know. Thank you, Petal.
You're very welcome, sunshine.
Oh god.
This is the issue.
What's that one, isn't it? Zero Coke.
Mhm.
Zero Coke. Coke zero. I've been doing landscape TikToks.
Really?
They do alright. Whatever that is, smells warm.
It does, doesn't it?
What should not be in here? No. No. Why not working? See, it's trying.
It is trying.
It's really trying its hardest. Come on, please, please.
Don't want this today.
Oh, yeah, my lord. Guys, so I want to jump in here and just like explain what's going on. So basically, as you can tell, the light wasn't working. And yeah, this location's like 30 minutes away from where I live. So I know you can't really hear what we're saying. So yeah, so basically I had to drive 30 minutes back to where I lived because that's where the nearest B&Q was. For all my American watchers, that's Home Depot. So I had to drive back to my B&Q. I also ended up having to nip home anyway to pick up the screws for the Pringles machine. So I had to do a 30-minute trip back home and then do a 30-minute trip back to the location to fix the light and the vending machine and the Pringles machine. So that is coming up next. So yeah, I just wanted to jump in here and explain that. Let's get a screwdriver out of the van. See what light bulb it is.
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, new issues. I thought there was the one on that side. Don't like it.
No, it just reflects off that bright white.
Right, there's the part where if I get electrocuted or not. put on the light.
Perfect size.
I was right. Yeah.
Now's not the time to drop it.
Is it? You want to hold it?
I can do.
God, should be an electrician.
You should have.
Alright. Here goes nothing.
I reckon you change the starter first.
Oh, it's warm.
Do you want me to change the starter?
No, I got it. Oh, it's just like my light bulb at home. You need an electrician. Not me. That needs to come out. And then that slides out there.
Well, that's broke.
Alright, we've got to. Ah! Don't need an electrician, got Meg. So we put the new light in. I needed Megan to hold the torch, that's why I went for it. Okay, let's put this in here. Okay, so should be good now. To close this.
Maybe it did break.
So I figured it out. You have to, after about 45 minutes, you have to like twist the light bulb. There's going to be somebody on here that's watching this, Megan.
Yeah, an electrician.
And they're going to be screaming at the video. So you have to twist the light bulb to lock it in place. Which I should have known because when I pulled it out, I twisted it to unlock it. So yeah, now I'm going to sort out the Pringles machine. Could be about 25 minutes doing this now. And we have finished filling up the Pringles machine and the vending machine. Boom. So, I'm here in a black hoodie this time. Normally it's grey. So, yeah. I didn't end the vlog. Typical Meg style vlog. Don't end it. Yeah, so it was supposed to be a vlog about me giving you advice about how to grow it to £100,000 vending machine business. And then my vending machine broke and I got distracted. So it's just going to be like a day in my life, I guess, with a little bit of hints and tips here and there. So now you know what to do. If your light breaks in your vending machine, you twist the bulb, you change the starter, boom, there you go. I mean, I guess that's just going to be like a hints and tips vlog. I don't know. It's just an average day in a vending machine business life. That's what I'm going to title this vlog as. But yeah, I'm hoping to do like a sit down video soon where I can answer some questions that people have asked me on like TikTok, Instagram, yeah, YouTube, things like that. But yeah, I am going to do my apartment tour soon. I just need to clean. Well, my mum kind of cleaned it the other day. But yeah, I need to tidy it. But yeah, it's just a bit mayhem at the minute because I'm moving into a storage unit for vending pretty soonish. So yeah, everything's a bit weird at the minute. And I have only just moved in, so it is still a bit, you know, how things are when you just move in somewhere. Well, yeah, if you did enjoy this video, make sure you give it a like, comment, subscribe, post notifications on, all that good stuff. Make sure you share it. I don't know. If you enjoyed it, tell me what you liked about it in the comments. Give me a DM on Instagram. Tell me that you found me on YouTube, you know, all that stuff. Yeah, but peace out. I will see you in the next video. Cue outro. Boom.
10 toes down on my ride with the